joined up here right now. This is Don Masterson, the Tinker Toy. You won last night. You got 5th place tonight, but your total distance is going to allow you to take home this beautiful, beautiful pistol here in this case. I just talked to Chris Waggle, and he says that I am supposed to bring up that you took home the rifle last year, and then you get to take home the pistol this year. Hang on, we're going to let these 8,500 pounds take off. Earl Spar on the Rymore Express, the first tractor out of the gate in this 8,500 pound limited pro stock class. Okay, Don, I know you got some people that you want to thank on this, but I guess what's it feel like to be able to come down here to Mound City? You get the distance. It is 279.72, 279 and 72. Eric Party out of Adams, Nebraska. The Banker's Nightmare. Yes, we do. This is only the 3rd or 4th time I think he's sat on the seat of this tractor after he's converted to 8,500. Eric and his wife Amy, I'm sure I don't see her right here, but she's got... For the high class hooker, Joel Osborne out of Savannah, Missouri on a... For the high class hooker, Joel Osborne out of Savannah, Missouri on a 4440 John Deere called Little Tough. Get ready to go after that mark set by Eric Pardee, 309.82 feet. We'll give you the rundown. That 4-1 class here in just a moment. Good pass there for that Little Tough. Again, I want to thank the replay sponsors up there, Tompkins Industries and Hiawatha Implement. Want to thank them for being the replay sponsors up there. That is going to lead him to the number 10 spot right now. The Real Deer Justin Wagler is still sitting there at number 1 at 305.4. And we got one tractor left to go. That's the Running on Red. Now or never. That is going to be close to the lead on that one. Missouri, a 4555 John Deere called Smokin' Weed. Out of Crispin, Illinois, the Lethal Threat John Deere, 7710. Jay won the class last night. This 8,500 pound limited pro stock division. Going to try for 2 here this evening. Got to be 312.64 feet. Good pass for Jared Fender. Here we go, Chris Bates out of Iowa, the unknown. Good hook in the last 20 feet of that bull as he kept on. Pull it. That box top down. That international was not done with it. Dustin DeSumbo out of Albany, Missouri, the Pure Country International. Got to be 312.64. And he is lined up with that leader cone, too hard to tell. But right here, had to be 312.64. Going to take the laser to make that determination, because I sure can't tell. Lane, if you want to hang out up here, just hang out with us and be our technical advisor for this diesel pickup class. Hey, you know what? It sounds good to me. We got a third microphone over there too, Chris. We can put him trackside live. Hey, he's shaking his head yes. It's his birthday today, too. It's his birthday? Yeah. Oh, my. If we could get all of Mound City to sing happy birthday to Lane Aldridge here tonight. Here we go, 8,500-pound limited pro stock. Out of Eagleville, Missouri, Charlie Hensack. The straight line hooker. It's getting sticky up here on the big end. Gotta love it when that box pops out and they just keep on tugging and chugging. John Wagner, Falls City, Nebraska, coming up on that other side. And this is going to be live action. The Live Action International. Give him a round of applause. Had to be 312.64. Take out the John Deere. Over the lead with 6-cylinder Cummins power. Just about halfway through this 8,500-pound limited pro stock class, we've got David Jones. Out of Stewartsville, Missouri, a 7830 John Deere. Calls it blowing bucks. About David Jones is we had a competitor that was coming down to the Cornerstone Classic down in Lincoln back in March. Their truck and trailer broke down halfway through Iowa. David Jones had just pulled into Lincoln, Nebraska with his rig and hauler. She just went ahead and buried it in. Not sure if he'd have got it out of there. Okay, over there on that other side. Family tradition. Missouri, a 966 International called K-Woods Comet. Josh finished third overall last night. Donating to the cause for the Mound City after prom, they really appreciate it. Jack Nasty coming down. Chris Johnson out of Tingley, Iowa. Jack Nasty. Pickup is up here next. This is going to be your 2017 defending champion from the Nebraska Bush Pullers that were here. Picture 2, I'm going to put it out there at 343. Tracking this up on that 8,500-pound limited pro stock side. This is going to be Don Becker out of Centralia, Kansas. This is going to be the hard luck tractor. These guys were looking for a turbocharger to come down here to pull the association. They pull with runs the Solana Charger. You have to run a 3.0 smoothbore in this. They found one. They got down here and took a rough ride last night. Don Becker, hard luck, Centralia, Kansas. Now, the one thing you're going to see a lot of these competitors do whenever they get pulled away, and I kind of forgot to mention it earlier on, but you'll see them take a look, they'll stand up as they get pulled away or as they drive away. Now, we have no idea what that was. Looks like we got green on that other side, though. Pawnee City, Nebraska, underrated 2. sit there and try to clean that thing out. This is Brett Drexage out of Shelbyville, Missouri, a 7800 John Deere. The full throttle Deere. Now they're all still going after that live action. John Wagner still sitting out there to lead at 319.80. K Wisconsin. Josh Hanna is sitting there number 2 at 315.66. We're here this weekend. 2 for 2 for the Hillbilly Mound Unleashed. Johnson out of Bolivar, Missouri on his 1466 called Crosswire. Trying to reset the leader mark in the 8,500 pound limited pro class.